A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, today we are going to perform our activity 20E. In this activity, the author is going to tell us that open the previous activity which we have performed already, 20D, and on cell F1 you are going to create a label with the name of new students. Then from cell F2 to F6 to display add to this house if the number of students in this house is less than 6, or to display full if the number is 6 or more. Now, as you know that we are going to write a function of if, and then inside the if function we are going to write how we can perform this condition, that rather the student of that house is full, it's more than 6, then it will going to show us the message full. And if the number of the students are less than 6, then they are going to show us the message add to this house. Now let's move to our Excel screen and perform these two functions as they are going to told us now. In here, as I have already opened my last activity 20D, and in here we have performed some functions and the formulas last time when we were saved and we have created that file. Then as they have told us that on F1 we are going to type a new label with the name of a new students. Now I am going to typing here new students. I have done. When I can press enter, it will be not come in one cell. Then I will be just double click on it and then it will be adjust in this F cell 1. Now in here, that is the totals from F1 till F6 till here, we are going to perform if statement. Now how that we are going to do, I am here that to typing is equal to, then for your information I am going to type if function, it's a conditional function. After that I am going to select the open parenthesis and I will give the address of that one, the E2, as I have select over here, then less than 6, then with the help of shift I am used 6, less than 6. If the student of in this club it is less than 6, then the computer is going to show us the result that add to this house. Now after the 6 I am going to performing comma and then inverted commas and I am going to type add to this house, then inverted comma close and then comma. Then over here the next one is if it's not less than, it's greater than 6, then they are going to show us the message full, as I have done here, and then close the bracket parenthesis. Now in here, as you are going to that they are going to performing these addresses, then add, it's the same. Now in here we have done a if conditional function formula that is equal to if E2, that cell, the number of students are in that house is less than 6, then the computer will show us add to this house. Otherwise, if the students is greater than more than 6, then they will show us the message full. Now I am going to press enter and let's see which message is coming here. Now after enter they are going to tell us that it's full because 9 is greater than more than 6, which we have used in the condition over here. After that I am going to drag that from here till F6 or F5. Now did we have seen that where it will be going to conduct the function, it will be fulfill the function. They are saying add to this house. As we know that in 9 is more than 6, 4 is less than 6. Then as per the condition over here, if E3 is that cell address, is less than 6, if it's less than 6, that they will show us the message add to this house. After add to this house, we have performed it here. Now in this cell they have told us that you are going to write the if condition formula. The condition is that if the cell number is the student's numbers in this house is less than 6, they will show us that add to this house. Okay, we have more space, then we are going to more students to add this. If the students are more than 6, then they will show us the house is full. 11 house is full, 9 house is full, then again 9, red, blue and yellow, the house are full. We don't have any capacity there to add some more students in these groups, but in greenhouse it's less than 6 students over here. Then the computer is going to tell us, okay, now I have a capacity, I have a space, I have some seats. Now add the students, register the students, admit the students in the greenhouse. Now after that we can check how the formula will be look like, which we have done over here. As I told you in the previous, click on the formulas, then click on the show formulas, and in here you have seen that the computer is going to show us all these formulas, which is on this we have done this. It's count if. With the previous one we have done in the activity 20D, and the same is over here, that if count if conditions we have performed over here, the formulas we have performed. And now in this one we have done the if condition with for the same one. As you may remember that we have done some other functions over here, that to show the student numbers and the extra clubs and all this, and then we have mentioned our name here. As I told you that the name of the your and your students, it is very important when you are going to add this. After that we are going to close that show formula, and we will save as the file with the name of activity 20E. How we are going to do this? That click on a file, then save as, and as the for the folder which we have already created on a desktop for these activities, then chapter 20, click on it, and in here they are going to show us that it's a 20D. Then I will erase the D, and then I will type the E. Now I have created another activity here. When I am going to click on a save, the computer will show us activity name. The file name is activity 20E. Now as you have done that, it is a 14 font size, and these are the 12. I am going to select all this like and press 1, then it will be increased. The size of a font and the size of a cells already they have mentioned here, and we can check the down one that it is the same. Yes, it is the same, and you are going to also change the color for these answers in these cells which we have done. Now where I have done some changes, then I am again click on the save portion over here, the save icon over here, then all these changes will be made and saved in the activity 20E. If you like my video, your concepts all clear with the if condition, and you understand it easily, then subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel, and also press the bell icon on the subscription area that you will get first my all new video notifications. That's the end of our video today of the activity 20E. Inshallah, we will be met in our new video next week. Take care and Allah Hafiz.